Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, October 19. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says stakeholders are close to signing off on all the paperwork and permits for an investment to significantly add to Trelawney's room stock.
Yesterday, I negotiated 750 new rooms for Trelawney.
Minister Bartlett was speaking at this Sunday's Western reception for the 2016 Rio Olympic and Paralympic athletes held at the Melia Braco Resort in Trelawney. He told the reception that this year's winter tourist season was on pace to be the best on record.
2,300 new rooms are coming on board for this winter. And already, US and the UK and Canada and all our markets are pacing ahead by over 5% of last year.
Government will be spending $30 million on a 3-year program to furnish schools with stretchers and other medical equipment as part of emergency plans at the institutions. Education Minister Senator Roel Reid says the Health and Safety Initiative will begin this financial year.
The government is committing for the next 3 years $10 million per year towards safety devices for supporting program in Jamaica in collaboration with
Minister Reid says the details of the program will be worked out with school principals and representatives of the Inter-Secondary Schools Sports Association. He was addressing a presentation ceremony at Jampro on Friday. At that function, Team Jamaica Bickle presented 15 automated external defibrillators, AEDs, to schools across the island. The AEDs are portable electronic devices that diagnose life-threatening cardiac issues and are designed to be used by laypersons. Receiving schools were trained to use the machines by experts attached to the diaspora healthcare sector. Team Bickle has also partnered with the Jamaica Association of Emergency Medical Technicians based at the University of the West Indies to provide ongoing training and support to the recipient schools. The Southern Regional Health Authority has boosted its ambulance fleets in Clarendon and Manchester by converting 2 2017 Toyota Hiace buses to serve the purpose. Regional Director at the Health Authority Michael Bent says $14.4 million was spent on purchasing and converting the buses into ambulances, resulting in about $7.6 million in savings.
And in addition, we have shortened the delivery time from 6 months to 2 months.
He says the international specifications required for ambulances were not compromised in the process and no procurement guidelines were breached. Pointing out that the project was funded with fees collected through patients' health insurance cards, the regional director says that method of payment should be viewed as a way to assist public healthcare facilities achieve their development goals.
We are not asking users to give us cash because there's no user fee. I'm imploring you to give your health cards because once we have these fees, we can do much more.
One of the new ambulances was assigned to the Lionel Town Hospital in Clarendon and the other to the Mandeville Regional Hospital. The Southern Regional Health Authority is responsible for all the healthcare facilities within Manchester, Clarendon and St. Elizabeth. Still on health, the Maypen Hospital is in a position to offer better treatment to heart attack and stroke patients following the recent receipt of a cardiac monitor. The equipment, valued at over $700,000, was donated by the Jamaican Canadian Association of Nurses, JCAN.
We here at Maypen were committed to providing the best possible care for our patients. And with the help of JCAN, our ability to meet this commitment has been greatly increased.
It will be placed in the recovery room of the hospital's high dependency unit to enable the effective management of heart attack and stroke patients post-operatively. And finally, government's call for Jamaicans to support the Help Haiti initiative in the wake of Hurricane Matthew is being heeded by at least one state agency and its private sector partners. Staff of Jampro recently collected relief supplies which have been taken to Food for the Poor for shipment to Haiti. The initiative, which was supported by exporters who do business with Jampro, included donations of syrups, juices, canned peas, pasta, bleach, and soaps. Minister of Education, Youth and Information, Senator Roel Reid, who was on hand to assist with loading the items, encouraged more Jamaicans to support the Haiti relief effort. Jamaicans wishing to assist Haiti can do so in cash or kind. Cash donations may be deposited to NCB Kingston account 212-387-304. Donations of bottled water, tarpaulins, canned food and other supplies should be dropped off at the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management on Haining Road in Kingston. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.